Okay, hello guys, welcome back. And today we are continuing this exercise series for Haloalkane and Haloarene. This is from page 189 and 6.6 question. Last time we had done 6.5 question. So the question is write the isomers of the compound having formula C4H9Br. Now, first of all, when you're writing this answer, you should know what is the meaning of isomers. Isomers, if you see here, the word iso means same and mer means unit. So such compounds having same molecular formula but difference in structure or anything else, we call them as isomers. So the question they're asking, if you draw this carbon 1, 2, 3, 4 and give hydrogens to each of them, each carbon you know it's 4 valency, right? So how many hydrogens we have? 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And one hydrogen is less, that means it is an alkyl group, and instead of that what we have here is a bromine. So if you see, if you name this compound 1, 2, 3, 4, so it is 1 bromo butane, right? Now they are asking how will you play with it so that the molecular formula you cannot change. You cannot make 4 carbon to 3 carbon or 9 hydrogen to 8 hydrogen or 11 hydrogen. You have to keep this formula same, but the IUPAC name should change. Suppose if I put this bromine in the second carbon, will the IUPAC name change? Yes, it will become 2-bromobutane. But if I put it here, will the IUPAC name change? No, because even though it is showing 3-bromo, but that time you will put the counting from here. This is not the case. If I put one carbon below as a branch, yes, this is possible. So how many times you can play with it and different IUPAC name? This is your isomers answer. So basically there are 4 isomers possible because there are 4 carbon here, and it is not always same, but you have to do a hit and trial method. Okay, so let me give you the answers exactly how you will write in the exam. So if you see, this is the first one which I already done, 1 bromobutane. Now what I did in the second case, this one CH3 group, if I see, I have put it in a branch. So one carbon I have put it as a branch, so it has become 1 bromo, 1 2 3, 2 methyl propane. Now in the third case, what I did, this bromine I said taken it in the second place. Can you see, 2 bromo, and third place one more CH3 I put it here. So now if you do the counting, 1 2 3, this is your longest chain. You will not do this as longest chain. Longest is 3 carbon. Second position only bromo, second position only methyl. In here what was the difference? Here first position bromine was there and second position methyl was there. So it is 2 bromo 2 methyl propane. Now you have to think, is there any other thing you can do where IUPAC name will change? If I put bromine in this place, will it the change the IUPAC name? Because that time you will do the counting from this side. So I hope you understood. This is the 4 answers you will get, and you will come for 2 marks, half marks for each. Thank you.